If you've gotten this far, you probably know that Interplay believes in the power of simulation-based learning to provide hands-on-like practice to build new skills and learn new concepts. But our courses are more than just video games developed to improve your skills. Inside most courses, you'll see a combination of videos, sims, knowledge checks, additional materials, and final assessments to build a complete course to help you become better at your job and become more productive in the field. Let's check out these learning elements. Videos stand as a great teaching medium, leveraged throughout our training courses. Often, we develop videos using the simulations. We basically turn our sims into video teaching studios that allow our subject matter expert to easily impart his or her knowledge to you. We will often refer to these as walkthrough videos, as the subject matter expert takes you step by step through the simulation procedure guide. Watching these videos will help you know exactly what you will do in the sim activities. In other videos, our subject matter expert will go into detail on a specific concept that he feels is quite important. Lastly, some courses are entirely videos, meaning no integrated sims. We use these courses to build foundational concepts that help prepare you for many aspects needed to be successful at your career. One important part about the videos is that they can be watched via your phone or tablet as well, so your training is always with you. For example, if you wanted to re-watch a procedural walkthrough video in the field, pull out your phone, log in, and watch. Sim activities can be completed using your desktop or laptop browser or with the desktop launcher app. Most sim activities also are going to be available via a fully immersive VR headset when you have access to the right hardware. The sim activities are broken down into training sims and challenge sims. The training sims will always give you direct steps to complete. You can see the direct instructions labeled at the top, or you can open up the training guide on the left-hand side. Here you can easily see all the prior steps. In the training mode, you are guided to complete the actions 100% correct as visualized by the green check mark. In challenge mode sims, you must work harder to get a perfect score, as you have to do each action right. Don't be afraid to do each challenge mode more than once. The more practice means the more knowledge you will retain when in the field. Integrated into the trainings are knowledge checks that help you to focus and remember key pieces of information. These checks are short because we want to focus on just a couple key takeaways from each module. These knowledge checks can be completed via all your devices, like logging into your training via a browser on your phone, laptop, or using the desktop app. On top of knowledge checks, we have final assessments at the end of many courses that give a review of key elements throughout the training. Once again, you can complete these across your devices. Lastly, you should find other documents and files that we include via PDF to help provide you additional critical information. Sometimes these might be visuals to help you understand a wiring diagram, or potentially a manufacturer-specific troubleshooting chart to help you troubleshoot while in the field. This curated list of docs are ready when you are, so use them to keep up the learning. Together, the videos, sims, knowledge checks, final assessments, and additional docs combine to build a comprehensive training package to help you and your team to develop their skills, increase their knowledge base, and improve their productivity. We hope you keep watching these onboarding videos, as the more you're prepared when you start training, the more success you will have.